Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you installation of Foocus AI on your computer, and if you are new to image generation, AI image generation, and you want to start the SDXL, I will recommend you to use this tool for image generation because this tool is quite easy to use. Even if you are very new to prompting anything, installing AI, image generation program on your local computer, this will be a perfect start because it has very less clutter and installation is very straightforward. You don't need to worry about downloading any model, you don't need to worry about anything. It will download model, LoRa, everything from itself. So this tool, as I already told you, the name is Foocus. I think it is pronounced as Focus because it is like 3O. So it is Foocus, okay? And if you see the GitHub page, it will show you how easily, like a very small prompt, give this type of result. Installation is very easy. You don't need to do much. You just need to download this and run the bat file. That's all. So that is what we are going to do. First we will download this file on our computer and then we will start the installation process. The installation process is automatic. You don't need to do much and everything will be taken care itself. Okay. So let's start by downloading the file first, and what we will do, I go to my PC and I already created a folder with the name Foocus. I will download this file into this folder. The file size is a little bit big, so it will take some time to download. It is like approximately 2 gigs in size, and to extract this file you either need a WinRAR or 7-zip. So once we download, we need to extract the file, and I'm going to use WinRAR to extract the data. So once the data got extracted, I copied all the files to my main folder. It is optional. If you want, you can do it, else you can use the same folder to complete the process. So after the extraction, we will proceed and start the installation. We will first click Run File. This is run.bat, and the process gets started. It will take some time, and if you see, now it is downloading a SDXL model. First it will connect to the server and then it will start the downloading process. It will take few minutes to connect to the server based on your internet speed. Now if you see, it started downloading the SDXL Juggernaut model. This is a really good model and it is around 6.6 GB, and based on your internet speed it will take some time to get it downloaded. So you need to wait for that time. So after downloading the model, it will run some more settings. It will also download a LoRa, and then it will run the environment in your default browser and also give you a URL. Okay, so this is the environment, very basic, nothing too much into it. You can start playing with it directly, just writing a prompt. So let's start with writing a prompt. I just wrote a simple prompt of a Indian princess riding a horse in a desert. So let's see what is the output and how good it is. So these are the two outputs which are almost created. Initially they are good, out of box generation, no filter, nothing is added into it, and no styles are also added, so it is not actually bad. So if we go to advanced and try few more things, like add quality, and then there are some styles which we can try, like cinematic, like there are so many styles which you can try and play with. There is one model and I can increase LoRa strength, I can add one more LoRa if I want. So you can play a little bit here and to get a better result. But out of the box, this tool is really good if I talk about the simplicity and the way easily it install everything. Now let's discuss some more feature of Foocus. There is like two modes, one is realistic and one is enemy in Foocus, and you can use both the one mode at a time, and it can create realistic images also, and also it can create the enemy images. So let me show you how we can create realistic images by using a better SDXL model. Okay, so when you start this process, we need to download Foocus need to download a model actually. So we go to the same folder and click on realistic option, and then it will start downloading a new model. You need to close the old instance of your image generation. Now it will take some time to download the model, and we will join again once it is completed. So once the process is completed, it will open the environment and give you a local IP. So now we will test the realistic model here. When the first time it will launch, it will also start from the same way. There is no much difference. The difference is with the model and the settings. So let me click on advanced and let's go to the model. See, there is another model is downloaded. Realistic stock tensor, photo tensor, and there is another LoRa added. Let me increase the strength of this LoRa, make it 8, and let's go in advance, make it 7. Sharpness same, I do not want to change it, and let's add some filter like this, and focus enhance. That's all. Anything else I want to? Okay, here if you want to use the old seed, you can put the old seed. Here I'm not doing anything, so I'm keeping it at random, and let's create. So I'm going to use some pre-created prompt which I created in past. So let's do one thing. Let's copy this prompt and put it here and see what happens. So this is the quality of the image. See the details. Even it captured, the hair, created hair here on the face. We call it vellus hair, I believe. So just see the quality. Let's do one more generation. See another image generated, and see the quality of this image. It is very beautiful image created. So this is the realistic mode, and if you want, you can play here a little bit more. Let me add this LoRa and add the weight by 5, and let's generate one more image. Let's see what happens. You can add up to 5 LoRa in this creation, and you can also use a refiner here. Let's see what happens. how good it generates. This is really beautifully created. See, again, the skin, texture, everything is quite beautiful. Little bit of, you can say a little bit skin details also. So this is really good. Now let's try one more prompt, and we'll keep it 6.5, and I will increase a little bit of sharpness, make it 3, and in the style I will create a masterpiece. Let's see what happens. Now see the quality of this image also. Okay, so this is how you can generate and use Foocus. In the upcoming video, I will share you some more things, like if you want to resize it, if you want to use image prompt, and how, like, these are the advanced features and functions which we can cover in our later tutorials. So before I end this video, let me share some small details about Foocus. So when you go into your Foocus folder, you can see there is another option, run anime. So you can, if you want to create anime art, you can use this. Process will be the same, there is no changes. It will download a anime model and then you can play with your prompts. Some more basic information here. If you go to this folder, Foocus, you see this folder model, right? So you go here in the checkpoint folder, your Stable Diffusion models are placed. Here LoRa's are placed. So if you want to download any LoRa, you can, or model, you can add here, and then when you restart your Foocus, they will launch again. Similar to that, there is a WAI and hyper network, and if you want to add control net, everything is here. Okay, in-pen model, upscaling model like Earthgun 4x super resolution. If you want, you can use them. Now one final thing, if you go into the output folders, you can browse and see whatever art you generated. There is one more good thing about this. If you click on the log, then you can get the generation data, your prompt, etc. from here, and like a small gallery. So that's all for today's video. If you like my work, please subscribe my channel, and I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, thanks for your time and stay safe, stay happy. Bye for now.